Hi everyone, this is Kamal. Have you ever been hooked by any drone footage like this? In addition to the beautiful views, the natural transition between different scenes impressed us a lot. So in this tutorial, let me show you how to add some effects to make your drone footage look better. First thing first, we want to find a connection between the two clips. Then we use a zoom in and a zoom out effect to emphasize that connection. Here we have two shots of the same building from different distances. I want to create a from far to near effect. So I need to add this wide shot to the very beginning and add this close-up shot behind that. Now let's trim this to drone footage. We can use our mouse to drag the ends. Or use a split tool to change the length. This will be okay. Next, let's add a zoom in effect for the end of the first footage. Click on here to enter the motion editor panel. Let's navigate to zoom in. Click on it. Then we drag these two keyframes to the end of this video. Now we select the second footage. In the same way, we enter the motion editor panel. Here we need to add a zoom out effect to the very start of this footage. Here, let me make a quick demonstration. Okay, we're now finished the edits. Hit apply to confirm the change. Now let's preview what we get. It looks good. Adding this to night and day footage can also bring us nice outcomes. Next, let's have a look at our second trick. We can play with different camera movements to record different scenes. For example, zoom horizontally or vertically. Then we can easily create a sense of depth by simply merging these shots. For example, here I have two videos, a zooming in shot and a panning shot. Like what we did before, we can trim these videos in the first place. Then we add a zoom in effect for the zoom in shot. To get a speed up effect. After that, we add a panning drone shot behind it. Last, let's find zoom blurring under transitions. Drag and drop it in between two videos. Let's check out the outcome. It looks good. We can capture some nice shots by flying the drone around the object. After combining these shots with a zoom effect, we can get some breathtaking outcomes like this. It's easy to get this effect. Simply select the footage click on here to enter the motion editor panel. Add a keyframe at the start of this video. Adjust the selection range. Then we add a keyframe to the place where we want the zoom effect to end. Get back to the original size. That's it. Hit apply to apply the effect. Click on play to preview the video. That's exactly what I need. Alright, you've reached the end of today's tutorial. I believe you've mastered how to make your drone footage stand out. If you want to know more editing tricks or the latest news about VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye!